Hey guys, if your kids have one of these real rigs or a big rig or any of the little trucks that have a battery in it, and don't buy the original battery. You're going to get fleeced on it. You're going to pay way too much money for it. What you want to do buy is one of these wild game feeder batteries. They're super affordable. You can probably get them, in some cases you can get them for a tenth of the price. I'm talking like 10 to 15 bucks. Where if you try to buy these originals, this is the original one that came in this real rig, this little garbage truck here. It's a 6 volt, 4 amp hour battery, and it has this little cover on top of it, which makes you think that it's proprietary, that you have to buy the OE battery from the manufacturer, which is like 60, 70 bucks. Don't do that. You can buy one of these. I'll put a link down below in the description and in the comments. Really affordable. It's actually has a little bit more power in it because it's a 4.5 amp hour battery, so it'll last a little bit longer. And the trick here is you just got to cut this sealant around the edges here. Just cut this sealant off, and then this cover just pops off. And then underneath here, there's not much to this. So underneath here, you'll see there's a fuse in there, and then these are just attached to these leads. And so all you have to do is just transfer this over to the new battery, and then install the new battery. You don't need sealant. This cover will pop back on, and then there's screws here that hold it into the little truck. And that's it. Don't waste your money. Don't buy really expensive stuff. Again, I'll put the link in the description below, and I'll also put it in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.